Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google Chat now and find the conversation or space you want to silence. Once you see it, click or tap the conversation to open the thread. If it's a space, check the space header for settings. If it's a direct message, look for the contact's name at the top. Make sure you have the latest app version on mobile. Updates can change menu locations. Then proceed to the conversation controls to adjust notifications. With the conversation open, access its menu, tap the three dots on desktop or the space header on mobile. Once the menu appears, select Notifications or Mute. This reveals choices for how you'll be alerted. Choose Mute to stop all notifications, or pick Mentions only to receive alerts only when you're mentioned. If there's an All Messages option, that restores full alerts. You're changing notification behavior for that specific chat, which prevents interruptions without altering other chats. After selecting your preferred setting, confirm the chat shows a mute icon or a notification label indicating the change. Once done, test it quickly by sending a message from another account so you can verify no notification appears. If you still get alerts, make sure device-level notifications for Google Chat are off or set correctly in system settings. Sometimes OS-level alerts override app preferences. Restart the app if needed, and update it. These steps resolve most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.